Hi, my name is Amber Kivett, and I'm a certified athletic trainer and human performance coach for Lifepro. Today I'm excited to share with you the Swift Treadmill, our newest release. It features several wonderful options, but I want to make sure you know it has a max weight capacity of 286 pounds and the treadmill itself weighs 64 pounds. One of the greatest features of this treadmill is its ability to fold into a different position for moving it or for storing it in tighter locations. It does have a speed variety of 0 to 10 miles per hour, has 15 preset programs and 3 training modes, which include distance, time, and calories. The motor is featuring 0.75 horsepower with a quiet running of 60 decibels. Amplitude is 60 hertz. Power is 600 watts and the voltage is 110. The dimensions for the setup, as you see it, is 50 long by 26 wide by 49 high. When we are inside the frame on the belt running, we have a space of 39 inches long by 15.4 inches wide. When we fold the treadmill, which I'm going to demonstrate here very soon, it folds down to 21.3 by 26.0 wide by 49 high. So one of the great features of the Swift treadmill is its ability to fold and to move easily. So I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to relocate for storage purposes. We're going to place the power cord up high near the cup holders. And then you're going to find here at the bottom is the security knob. You're going to remove that security knob and you're going to place it in the other cup holder. Come around here to the front where you're going to lift underneath the belt until you meet to the same level as this knob. We're going to pull this knob out until it clicks into the hole here, and then from here we're ready to move it wherever it is we're ready to take it to. So now to unfold the treadmill back into a position wherever you're ready to use it, we're going to pull on this lever, but make sure that we have a hold of the end of the belt here. So we're going to pull and it will lower nice and easy until you feel the floor. We're going to come back around, security knob ideally stored in the cup holder. We're going to put that back into position here. Remember to rotate it if you're looking righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. And then from here, plug your device in, and we're ready to go. So the Lifepro Swift treadmill is packed with a lot of great features. One of those features are the pulse sensors, which will keep track of your heart rate as you're using whichever program you choose to use. That being said, let's talk about programs. We've got 3 different training modes, which is referred to as distance, time, and calories. Those are located on page 18 and 19 of your user manual if you'd like to review through those in greater depth. If you turn to page 20 or 21, you're going to find all of our preset programs, which includes P01 all the way to P15, and that also includes a manual mode program. Automatically, each one of our programs will start at a default of 10 minutes with a max time available at 45 minutes. You're going to see here there's a USB connection point, so if you decide that you want to watch your favorite movie or watch videos from the internet or listen to music, you can take your phone and you can plug in directly to your smartphone or whatever you want to use, whether it's a tablet, an iPad, or whatever type of tablet that you might use. There is a ledge here for your tablet to go. And as you can see, I have a very long cord here, so you can actually use your second cup holder here on the left to tuck that extra cord in so that you have everything here right in front of you. You're going to see that there's also a featured bottle holder here, and here in order to start using your treadmill, you're going to have your magnetic security key. If you don't have that magnetic security key in place, the unit won't run. Okay? Since we're not going to be listening to any videos today, and you get to listen to me, I'm going to remove mine so that you can focus on what's important here. You're going to see each one of these preset programs, P1 through P15, listed in a graph formation right here on the computer. That's going to give you an idea of the intensity and the speed intervals that you have the options to choose from depending on what your fitness goals might be. You're also going to see that we have speed shortcut buttons, which would include 2 miles per hour, 4 miles per hour, 6 miles per hour, and 8 miles per hour. You are gonna choose through the program mode. So you're gonna click on the program button, which is going to show you the different preset programs that correlate with the chart here on the control panel. And as you go through each and every one of those, let's say I want to start with the P15, we're going to hit start. What's really important to remember is you're not going to be able to adjust the speed at all as you are choosing a preset program. Everything is already chosen for you. Okay? Now, from here, we also have our mode button. So you can choose through the mode. H1 is going to refer to as time, H2 refers to as distance, and H3 is going to give you a caloric goal that you can enter in on your own. So let's say that we're going for more of time, and so here you're going to see that the time is blinking. We can use our plus minus buttons to add time, and remember, you can only add up to 45 minutes. And it's going to automatically start with a default of 10 minutes. So if you want to do less, you can always go less, but you can't go any more than 45. We're going to hit start. And from here, you can adjust the speed because you're in manual mode as easily as you want to. And then let's say that you realize that you need to get off of here quickly and you don't want to wait for it to shut off. You just yank on the security key and the treadmill dies. Automatically it stops. What is most important with the security key, if you are possibly having challenges with balance or you're not quite sure how to turn the device off on your own, you want to make sure and clip this to the front of your shirt while you're on the device. So for instance, if I'm going to stand here and choose my program, I'm going to clip this onto the front of my shirt. And that way, when this is at full length, okay, if this is at full length and I tend to go off backwards, it's going to pull off and it's going to kill the switch of the control panel for safety features. Then in order to get everything started back again, you're going to reattach that and off you go. Me personally, I don't like attaching these to me because I feel like I'm stuck to the treadmill. So if you're not using this and you want to clip it to your smart tablet holder here, or you want to drop it in your cup holder and you're an experienced treadmill user, you feel confident on it, feel free to do that as well. But you have to have that in order to be able to operate the treadmill. So part of having a Swift treadmill in your home means that you're going to have to lubricate the belt and do some maintenance from time to time. You're going to find all of that information located on page 32 and 33 in your owner's manual. We're going to provide you with the silicone that is specific to lubricating the Swift treadmill. You're going to remove the cap, and using the screwdriver that came with it, you're going to have to lift the belt using the edge without scratching. And from here, you're going to push the applicator straw through underneath, and we're going to start at the very top, and you're just going to give a little squeeze, and then we're going to come down a little bit, and we're just going to work our way down as we're applying through the straw. You can remove that out, keep it going until you get to the very end, and then you're going to pull through and reattach your cap. Now that we've lubricated the belt, we're going to start the treadmill for 5 minutes and let it run. If while you're using your treadmill, you happen to notice that it's starting to run to the left of the center of the treadmill, you can actually adjust that using the multi-tool that came with it. There's little hex screws here in the holes, so if you find that the treadmill is shifting more to the left, you're going to take your hex end of your multi-tool and you're going to place it here into that part of the hardware, and you're going to click it to the right. You're going to run the treadmill after that and see if the belt adjusts for a little bit, and if you need to make further adjustments, then again, you can slide on in there, rotate it another turn to the right or to clockwise, and that will help adjust your belt back to the center. Now that we've talked about the great features of the Swift treadmill, I want to remind you to make sure and register your treadmill with our warranty at swift.lifeprofitness.com so that if you do have any problems with it, we can make sure and get you taken care of. Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to hear about the great benefits you're experiencing.